Are your Samsung refrigerator door bins cracked or breaking? Then the POOLKEY upgraded DA97-13805, a refrigerator door bin shelf replacement, might be your kitchen's unsung hero. This replacement bin fits various Samsung models, and it's built to last. Many people find their original shelves wear out quickly. But this POOLKEY Samsung right door shelf feels different. It's like the sturdy oak in a forest of flimsy saplings. Installation is also a breeze. You just snap it into place. No tools are needed. Furthermore, it holds your condiments and drinks securely. Thus, your groceries stay organized and accessible. Therefore, it's a practical and necessary upgrade. This POOLKEY Samsung right door shelf will bring order to your fridge. However, consider your specific needs. This shelf is for the right door. Verify your refrigerator's model number first. This ensures a perfect fit. The shelf's clear plastic lets you see everything. It's a window to your yummy treats. This avoids rummaging and chaos. The durable construction resists spills, and it withstands daily use. So, no more flimsy plastic. Consequently, your milk and juice have a safe home. It truly is a reliable component. This POOLKEY Samsung right door shelf feels like an original. Moreover, it performs like an original. Finally, it even looks like an original. Overall, this POOLKEY replacement shelf is a smart buy. It saves you from frustration. It extends your refrigerator's life. Plus, it makes your fridge more functional. It's a small change with a big impact. Think of it as a solid foundation. Your fridge contents will stand tall. Ultimately, it's an excellent solution. You get peace of mind, and you get an organized fridge. In conclusion, it's a top-notch product. It definitely earns a high recommendation. Pros: adds storage space in fridge. Food-grade bag keeps items fresh. Versatile food storage options. Convenient food storage. Strong sealing for bags. Extends food shelf life. Durable thick bags. Freezer safe for perishables. Transparent bag window. Easy to view bag contents. Improved ease of use. Cons: only for Samsung right door. Installation can be tricky. May not fit all models. Quality could be better. Features: upgraded design. DA97-13805 A part number. Refrigerator door bin. Shelf replacement. Compatible with Samsung. Right door shelf. Fits RF28 HMEDBSR. Fits RF24 FSEDBSR. Replaces AP 5,798,292. Replaces PS 8,762,447. This is an upgraded replacement shelf for your Samsung refrigerator's right door. It's designed to fit models like the RF28 HMEDBSR and RF24 FSEDBSR. The part number for this shelf is DA97-13805A. And it can replace older parts like AP 5,798,292 and PS 8,762,447. This makes it easy to replace a broken or missing shelf in your fridge. This POOLKEY refrigerator door bin is an upgrade for Samsung refrigerators, specifically designed for the right door to add more storage. It also comes with special food-grade bags that help keep your food fresh longer by sealing tightly. These bags are durable, freezer-safe, and clear so you can easily see what's inside. While this door bin and the bags are handy, the bin only fits certain Samsung models and might be a little tricky to install. And some users have noted the quality could be better.